Hey guys, my name is Takea Spack. I'm a sales lady here at Park City Toyota in Medicine Hat. It is my absolute pleasure to introduce you to the all-new 2019 Toyota RAV4. But before we get started, let's take a quick tour of our dealership. Let's go check it out. The 2019 Toyota RAV4 is absolutely stunning. And today I'm going to explain some of the new big game changers that Toyota has introduced. The 2019 Toyota RAV4 is even more aerodynamic, sleek, and stylish. The RAV4 showcased today is the 2019 limited model, which comes standard with 19-inch rims, HID headlights, LED taillights, backup sensors, and a standard backup camera, as well as Toyota Safety Sense. Toyota Safety Sense includes automatic high beams, which shuts your high beams off when there's oncoming traffic, lane departure alert with steering assist. If your vehicle is detected going outside the lane, it will steer you back in. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. It will either slow down your vehicle or stop depending on your speed. And dynamic radar cruise control. If the person in front of you is going slower, it will slow your vehicle down to their speed. Another feature I wanted to point out is blind spot detection, which keeps you and your family safe in various situations. And for those hardcore grocery shoppers, this will sure come in handy. The 2019 Toyota RAV4 has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that boasts 203 horsepower and 184 foot-pounds of torque. The engine well is also covered in thick rubber seals that help protect from water or condensation getting into the engine. And in case of any unforeseen motor vehicle accident, this vehicle comes with state-of-the-art crumple zones. Inside the 2019 RAV4, Toyota has gone above and beyond in quality control. From the leather inserts on the doors to this premium Softex seating, the Toyota RAV4 is incredible for short and long distance driving. The RAV4 now comes with Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay takes things you want to do with your iPhone while driving and puts them into the inbuilt display screen, which will allow you to make phone calls, send texts, only using your voice. And the all-new digital display rear view camera, which shows exactly what's behind you even if your line of sight is blocked. In addition to the all-new 8-speed automatic transmission with sequential shifting, this vehicle has mud and sand, rock and dirt, snow, and normal mode for all weather conditions. The RAV4 limited model has heated and cooled front seats as well as heated rear seats. Phone's dying? No problem. You now have a wireless charging pad for your phone. And when it comes to the competition, the RAV4 dominates when comparing to vehicles like the Honda CR-V and the Hyundai Tucson. Park City Toyota prides themselves in customer satisfaction. I'm Takea Spack, and I look forward to seeing you soon.